My name is Jeff Poynter. I'm a cardiothoracic surgeon on staff. I'm also director of thoracic aortic surgery here at the Erlanger Heart and Lung Institute. I practice full spectrum cardiac surgery, and then within the spectrum of aortic disease, I also repair aortic dissections, aortic aneurysms, and in conjunction with our vascular surgeons here, we address anywhere from the heart all the way down into the legs, any aneurysms. This region has about a 25 to 30 to 1 incidence over the general U.S. population for aneurysms. And there's a bunch of reasons why that may be the case, but when you look at the Medicare data, that's a fact. And looking back in time in the Chattanooga region, a lot of these cases appear to probably have been shipped out, and that's part of the reason why I was hired, was to provide people with a local full spectrum solution for any of those aneurysms of the chest, anywhere they may be. Cardiac surgery is a little different because you can take someone who's in heart failure and replace a valve or bypass their coronaries or fix an aortic dissection, and their body works better. And so the response to surgery can be really dramatic after a good cardiac operation, and that's one of the things that gives me satisfaction, is seeing a patient wake up from surgery and they're no longer short of breath and they can, for example, go run a marathon.